When you're looking for a new home, the only thing you want to do is look at homes. And I totally get that. As a realtor and as someone who's bought quite a few homes, what you want to do is you just want to go look at houses. You want to figure out what neighborhood you want to be in. You want to figure out what type of house you want, what features you want in the house, what you don't want in the house. You just want to see all these different houses. But one of the most important things that you need to do when you start looking for homes is getting pre-approved. Now, I'm not a loan officer or a mortgage lender, but again, I've bought a lot of houses and I've helped a lot of people buy houses. And I know it might be counterintuitive to think, why should I go talk to a lender first and do all this paperwork and have to give them all these documents before I even go look at a home? And the simple matter is you have to get a loan to buy a home unless you have cash. So if you have cash, skip that, don't bother with it. You're in a much better position. It's going to be a whole lot easier to buy that house. But if you don't have cash and need to get a loan like I do, make sure you talk to a loan officer beforehand, because there might be some things you can do to be in a better position to buy a home. So you might say, I'm already qualified, I know it, everything's great, not worried about it at all. That's great, and maybe that's the case. But you might submit all your documents to your loan officer and they say, hey Jordan, you've got this old medical bill from 3 years ago. Oh, I didn't know about that, what are you talking about? You can go deal with that before you get too far along in the process and get your credit score up, which will get you a better mortgage rate, could get you better terms, will just make the whole process a whole lot easier. And if you had a low credit score, like I did, the loan officer could even tell you things to get that credit score up. So you're in a better position to buy a home. So kind of my story is I had a low credit score, I was approved to buy a home, but the loan officer said, hey, do these things. And this was years before I bought a home. Luckily, my father's a realtor and he said, hey, I know you don't think you're ready to buy a home yet. You're talking about it, you're thinking about it. Go talk to this loan officer, it doesn't cost anything. He helped me do things to get my credit score way up. So when I actually went to buy a home 2 years later, I was in such a better position. And I know that the thought process might be, oh, well, this lender, he doesn't want to talk to me unless I'm ready, or if I talk to him, I owe him something. You don't owe these people anything. This is our job as realtors and lenders, is to talk to people about buying homes. That's what we enjoy doing. You know, we like doing it. We're here to help. And obviously, if we provide good service and you like working with us, it'd be great to work with us. But get pre-approved before you go out looking for a home. It'll save you a lot of time. It'll save you a lot of headache. It might put you in a better position when you're ready to buy. And if you find that perfect home, you're going to need a pre-approval letter to buy it. So make sure you get all that stuff done ahead of time and don't end up scrambling at the last minute or losing that perfect home because you haven't done what you need to actually be able to buy. Make sure to send me an email at jordan.moorhead@kw.com if you want any referrals to any great lenders. Again, I know lenders all over the country, but specifically here in Texas, I've got a bunch of awesome ones. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel here. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.